our president-elect, the reason all this matter where because we know, say, one of the things when he first enter inside as president-elect, we when they talk this thing of national unity, to find out he go bring different people from different parts of the country, so that everywhere their mind go they cool well. But he didn't want you to say he did another thing to actually do. So as we don't day inside Coco of the day now, we want to see how possible it will be for our president-elect to do this. You know, already start talk of, say, marginalization no go day. For you to make sure, say, marginalization not day, you need to go to the places where the quarrel say they marginalize them. What be the things where they know they give them, where they make them feel like say they marginalize? Now only appointments, now projects where they reach their side, now quarrel where they quarrel since when nobody they answer them. What be all these things and how our president-elect go fit take reason this matter? Bless you, we don't get one caller, we won't put mouth inside, make we hear from them. But I welcome, good evening.
Evening, Joseph, I'm calling from Guaripa.
We welcome you, sir.
You see, APC promises, no promise to talk about. APC are kind of people, they will tell you sweet mouth, as if they carry salt and sugar, put them at the same time.
You go put voice for
after everything, when they enter there, nothing they will do about it. Nothing they will do about it. They will just forget as if the masses are not. In the other hands of the Senate approving money, whatever, once the money they wanted to share no reach them, the amount they want, they will never approve it. They will be behaving as if they are backing the masses. They lie. The ones they go to the other rooms, and if the share reach there, they will come back and say we have approved it because they have it. Structure everything.
Oh, God,
they are just lying to the masses. APC has nothing to offer in this country. We have no vision. We know everything. Wait and see what Tinubu will do.
Okay. Well, we don't, now your advice will go follow now. You say, we wait and see.
So we will wait and see. You don't say make we wait and see now. So Femi say to make
wait and see what he will do. It has nothing to offer. Buhari will be better than
you better. Okay. Oga Joe, well, now all analysis is that no wait, but this the way Oga Joseph will talk. Me, I want ask. How many people get this kind of mind? Go say, well, Tinubu don't go better than Buhari. Some go say, Buhari don't do well. So they do well. So they, if you read all the things where you do, Tinubu go find it hard to pass them. Say last, if you just do equal for the work where they go do for Nigeria. Some say you go get improved, say Tinubu get organizing something, if you call people may help all that one. But even if all that one will they talk, maybe we'll reason and go into this unity matter. Now reason say president-elect, now when yesterday outside, where see they hear people they talk, because once you enter Aso Rock, some they say they had to hear anything for inside out what say, advice no be advice, say advice no go enter. Now when still they outside, when still they go places, they talk, they answer for Rivers, say, I go make sure say I do project everywhere and all those ones. Una reason say, it get us in suppose follow through with this issue of unity. From appointment to project to issue of marginalization, the rest. Which one remain? Where it is say, it's supposed to put head, may just use sense and calm down, borrow your brain, help them, work them, may everything they blend. I mean, no reason like that. May we take more of your call. If not the call and if not the same message, we will read waiting at the right on top of the matter.
All right, while we wait, make our calls enter inside. Let me make we reason this issue. You get one thing where you talk just now about President Muhammadu Buhari versus the incoming. Whether some people go say, if you look at like this, he actually work the work well. Now not they see him. Incoming, he get the work when one can do. When I go agree, make it enter first, make they see him. But you get one thing I think where a lot of Nigerians they reason sometimes when they reason how our leaders they work the work. It gets some kind of things where people go they ask for, where as a government or as a leader, you say, okay, make I look this way where these people they ask for, make I focus on them. Say if I fit do this once, maybe like 1 or 2 or 3 of these where these people they ask for, then maybe I go give myself pass mark. Some people go they reason and say, it not be like say President Buhari no work. But it be like say the things where you focus on, not be the things where the people they look like that, like that. Abi, make we hear from you now. Welcome, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
We welcome, sir.
Thank you. I want to talk about this marginalization.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that President Buhari has not tried in that aspect. The federal appointment most of the projects, when you look at it, did not favor most of the appointments. And even some projects, some critical projects, they not favor. But I just want the incoming government, that's our president, to become. I just want him, in appointment, he should try to put a figure character in anything. And talking about the Senate, I don't have a problem with approving or increasing any money. The only problem I have that with our senators and with the federal government is for them not doing, let's say, the critical project that with affect the Nigerians. What we need in this country is more industry than all these roads and maybe the rest. We need industry.
Hey, okay. Oga Alex, at least you don't start the match your talk, go front from where you started from. So what we did now, industry. Now, true, inside Oga Tinubu plan, industry they there because I know production to, what's mean that? Production to...
Consumption.
No, production to consumption.
Consumption to production.
Now, Oga Obi talk that one. I know, yeah, Oga Tinubu talk about his own, this on top that one.